Discover the wonders of compost tea, a nourishing liquid fertilizer brewed from compost and water. It's a wholesome organic solution to supply plants with vital nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Compost tea enriches plants, soil and the environment in numerous ways. Packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, as well as micronutrients, it fosters robust growth and development in plants. Additionally, its diverse community of beneficial microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and nematodes, improves soil health by decomposing organic matter, enhancing nutrient availability, and combating harmful pathogens. When applied to the soil, compost tea enhances soil structure and fertility, promoting better water retention, aeration, and root growth. Crafting compost tea without an aeration device is simple. 1. Fill a sizable container with non-chlorinated water and let it sit to allow any residual chlorine to dissipate. 2. Add compost to the water at a ratio of roughly 1 part compost to 4 parts water, adjusting as needed. Three, mix the compost and water thoroughly to ensure full saturation. 4. Let the mixture steep for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally to facilitate nutrient and microorganism dispersion. Using compost tea is equally straightforward. Spray diluted compost tea directly onto plant leaves using a sprayer to enable foliar nutrient absorption. Alternatively, pour the diluted tea at the base of plants to deliver nutrients and beneficial microbes directly to the root zone. Apply compost tea during the growing season, preferably in the morning or evening to avoid heat stress on plants. Integrate it into your regular fertilization routine, applying every 1 to 4 weeks as per your plant's needs. Unlock the potential of compost tea to nurture your garden naturally. Embrace this eco-friendly fertilizer to cultivate thriving plants and a vibrant ecosystem. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. You click the following button, then on the bell, and finally, confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.